Breakthrough, then U-turn. A Qatari LNG tanker reversed course in the Hormuz Strait moments after a reported transit breakthrough. Gold sits at $4,692.90, down $22.80 in 24 hours. If you're holding gold right now, that dip stings. The headline said passage was restored. The tanker said otherwise. The strait didn't open, it reversed. Day 72 of the U.S Iran conflict. Tehran submits a counterproposal, but the strait still snaps shut. The LNG tanker reverses course. Safe haven demand tightens. The gold bid absorbs every shock, even as the price bleeds $22.80 downward. The U-turn is the signal, not the breakthrough. If you're holding physical gold, watch the Hormuz traffic. Any second reversal confirms instability holds. Watch Tehran's counterproposal response, not the proposal itself. The bid beneath $4,692.90 is building, not draining. Mainstream called this a transit breakthrough. The tanker reversed, and the real pressure surges.